What's up guys? Today I'm going to tell you how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 under 5 minutes officially. Yes, you can do that. So just follow my steps carefully and you will be able to install Windows 11. So let's start upgrading to Windows 11. In order to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, follow the steps. First, open your start menu and type Windows inside a program. Now click on Get Started. Click on Link an account. Type your Microsoft account. Make sure it is true account. And enter your password for your account. Click on Dev channel and click on Confirm. Click on Confirm again and click on Restart now. So the computer is restarting, so please wait. So it is successfully restarted for me. Please wait until you see the desktop. So yes, I can see the desktop right now. In order to upgrade and see the insider program settings, click on Windows Update and click on Windows Update Settings. Click on Check for Updates and Windows will update to Windows 11. So if you update to Windows 11, this is how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? Press the Windows and R and type WinVer. So it is Windows 11. I hope you like this video. Subscribe here and watch this amazing video. Bye bye.